friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed positive today, just close to the all-time high. It's a good move, closing above the previous swing high of negative weekly close. So overall trend remains positive now. Nifty has taken support at this lower end of the channel, and now it's expected to go up till the upper end, which is way too high. Short-term targets would be around 6,500 in the short term for Nifty, and stop loss should be around 6,100, 6,150. That will be very crucial for Nifty. The momentum indicator on the daily charts have already given a buy signal. Today we've seen very good momentum on banking stocks, so very positive on PSU banking now at these levels. On the hourly charts, triangular pattern has broken on the upside, and I'll be expecting this to continue till the upper end of the channel, which is around 6,500 on the hourly charts. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal. It's still in the sell, but it's just about to give a buy signal on the hourly chart. So the momentum is positive. The strategy should be to buy on declines. On Bank Nifty, this channel has been holding on. I'll be expecting a breakout of this channel on the upside. Targets would be around 12,500, 13,000 in the very short term. Support would be around 11,160 and 11,000. Resistance would be around 11,600 and 11,900. The momentum indicator on the daily charts have given a buy signal. So the momentum is strong, and the strategy should be to buy on declines. RCOM is looking good. ABC correction is completed, and it's looking extremely good because it has taken support at 40 daily moving average. The momentum indicator is just about to give a buy signal, so I'll be expecting this consolidation to break on the upside. Extremely good momentum in this stock, and if this breaks on the upside, 170, 180 targets is expected in the stock. Stop loss should be around 144, 140 in the very short term. Targets would be around 142 and 156. The second call is on Dish TV. Again, a falling channel, a flag pattern has broken on the upside with good volumes. The momentum indicator on the daily chart is just about to give a buy signal. So a good stock to go long on, and very good returns is expected in the medium term outlook. But in the very short term, stop loss should be around 52.80, and target would be around 55.40 and 56.50. So overall, friends, momentum is extremely strong. Expected targets would be around 6,500 on Nifty in the very short term, and I'll be expecting this momentum to continue specifically in banking stocks. Thank you so much.